Good evening, Australia. Joining us today, we have the controversial Germaine Gayner, author and famous feminist. Tonight, we will be talking to her about her lifelong achievements.
Hello, thank you for having me here.
Thank you for coming. So, Germaine, author, feminist, activist, you have quite the long career of causing a stir. But you're most famous for your book, aren't you? But it's all about feminism, isn't it? Empowering women. One of the most famous quotes from the book is "The world has lost its soul and I, my sex." What inspired this?
Well, when I wrote this story, I was very much being led by a sense of what was wrong with the world. The fact that women are seen as lesser when they aren't.
And that's why you were so controversial and so relevant at the time, isn't it? Because women really were considered the weaker sex, weren't they?
I definitely think that's what made my book what it is. If you were to come out with something like that today, it wouldn't be relevant. But that was during the feminist movement.
To finish up, can you tell me why you think everything that you say has come off as controversial and why, even now, the things you say and do cause a stir?
Well, I think that's quite simple. I stay relevant by making absolutely certain that I'm up to date on all the current political events and I make no effort to sugarcoat opinions.